Good morning, students. Last class we studied acid. Today we learn about the topic bases. According to Arrhenius theory, bases are substances that ionize in water to form hydroxyl ions. Bases are substances that ionize in water. That means dissolved in water to form hydroxyl ions. Hydroxyl ion means OH minus ion. For example, sodium hydroxide. Name the symbol of sodium. Na. Hydroxide OH. This is sodium hydroxide, aqueous solution, dissolved in water. It is split into Na plus OH minus. Base is a substance ionized in water to form hydroxyl ions. So it is base. Last class we studied hydrochloric acid dissolved in water to form H plus Cl minus. It produced H plus ion. So it is a acid. Sodium hydroxide is a base. Why? Because it produces OH minus ion, hydroxide ion. Okay, this is hydrogen ion, that is hydroxide ions. Some metal oxides which give salt and water on reaction with acid. Metal oxide. Example, one metal example, zinc. Metal oxide, oxygen. Zinc oxide, this is metal oxide, zinc oxide. It react with HCl. Metal oxide reacted with hydrochloric acid to form salt and water, zinc chloride. Zinc chloride is a salt and water. So this zinc oxide also a base. Metal oxide react with hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride and water. That means metal oxide react with acid to form salt and water. So this metal oxide also a base. Then bases are soluble in water are called alkalis. Bases are soluble in water are called alkalis. What we studied define as base. Base are substance that ionize in water to form hydroxyl ions. Some metal oxides which give salt and water on reaction with acids, that metal oxide also a base. Then a base react with an acid to give salt and water. Base react with acid, it give salt and water. Base contain one or more replaceable oxide or hydroxyl ions. Base contain one or more replaceable oxide or hydroxyl ion. Maybe it will replace hydroxide ion or oxide ion. Okay. See the tabular column. Calcium oxide. So calcium CaO, calcium symbol Ca, oxide O, CaO. It is split into Ca2 plus O2 minus. So here how many oxygen replaced? Only one. Sodium oxide, sodium symbol Na, oxygen O, Na2O. So it is split into Na plus O2 minus. How many oxygen replaced? Only one. Potassium hydroxide, symbol of potassium K, hydroxide OH. So KOH, it is split into K plus OH minus. Only one OH minus. So replaceable hydrogen hydroxide ion, only one. Calcium hydroxide, symbol calcium Ca, hydroxide OH. So CaOH twice. It is split into Ca2 plus 2OH minus. Ca2 plus 2OH minus. So replaceable hydroxide ion is 2. Next, aluminum hydroxide, symbol of aluminum Al, OH twice. It is split into Al3 plus OH minus. So how many OH? No, it is split into Al3 plus 3 OH minus. Number of replaceable hydroxide ion is 3. Next we learn about classification of bases. Bases are classified into 3 different ways. First one, based on their acidity. Monoacidic base, diacidic base, triacidic base. Monoacidic, mono means one. So here the base that ionize in water to give only one hydroxide ion per molecule. Okay, monoacidic base means it will give only one hydroxide ion. Example, NaOH. It is split into Na plus OH minus, only one OH, KOH. Potassium hydroxide, K plus OH minus. So only one hydroxide ion produced, that is monoacidic base. Second is diacidic base. It is a base that ionize in water to give 2 hydroxide ions, CaOH twice, Ca2 plus 2OH minus. It will give 2 hydroxide ions. So it is called diacidic base. Triacidic base means it will give 3 hydroxide ions in water, AlOH twice, FeOH twice. Then second type, based on concentration. Based on concentration, it is divided into 2. One is concentrated alkali, dilute alkali. Concentrated alkali is having a relatively high percentage of alkali. Alkali percentage is more. That is called concentrated alkali. Dilute alkali means it is an alkali having a relatively low percentage of alkali in its aqueous solution. So concentrated alkali means, for example, 50 liter milk in a bottle. Okay, 50 liter milk in a bottle. So 50 liter milk, there 40 liter milk, then they added 10 liter water. So here that milk percentage is more, that is concentrated alkali. Same another one bottle, 50 liter milk is there, but they are added 30 liter milk and 20 liter water. That percentage of milk is less. Okay, based on concentration, concentrated alkali and dilute alkali. Concentrated alkali means high percentage of alkali. Diluted alkali, low percentage of alkali in aqueous solution. Third type is based on ionization. Strong base, weak base. Strong base means which ionize completely in aqueous solution. It will completely ionize. Reactant, for example, sodium hydroxide, NaOH, completely dissociate into ions, Na plus OH minus. KOH, potassium hydroxide, completely dissociate, K plus OH minus. Second one is a weak base. There are bases that ionize partially in aqueous solution. Partially means half of the amount only ionized. Remaining it will not ionized. For example, NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide, it is split. Half of the amount split into NH4 plus OH minus, remaining NH4OH. It cannot ionized. So the next CaOH twice, Ca2 plus 2OH minus. Calcium hydroxide also partially ionized. For example, calcium hydroxide, half of the amount ionized, remaining half of the amount unionized. Thank you.